Your front yard fence isn't just for looks. It adds security, privacy, and value. But with so many choices, which one is right for you? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. First, decide what you need your fence for. Curb appeal? Picket fences or wrought iron add a timeless decorative touch. Privacy? Wood or vinyl block visibility and reduce noise. Security? Steel or aluminum are durable and hard to climb. Now let's talk about the right materials. Each material has its strengths. Here's how they compare. Wood. Classic, warm, and natural, but requires staining or sealing to prevent rot and warping. Vinyl. Low maintenance and weather resistant, but costs more upfront and may crack in extreme heat. Metal, steel, or aluminum. Strong, modern, and long-lasting, but some types need rust protection. Chain link. Affordable and practical, but not the most stylish for front yards. Before you build, check local regulations. Some areas have height limits or material restrictions. Not sure where to start? A professional can help you choose and install the perfect fence. Ready to upgrade yours? Contact us at this number or visit our website here to get a free quote.